Good morning, traders. It's Todd Gordon here at Trading Analysis. It's Friday, June 20th, Quadruple Witching Day, and there's going to be definitely some good volatility. I want to focus in on Google. I'm holding positions in Google right now. I want to show you the levels that I'm focusing on that could come into play here today. It should definitely be interesting. So looking at the 4-hour chart of Google, we're tracking this as an Elliott triangle. So it's a 5-wave move. It's sideways, it's a triangle as it suggests, but Elliott assigns values to each leg. So here's the A leg, which is your first, B, C. Now I think we're rallying up in the D wave. This is going to be interesting today around quadruple witching because there's a couple technical resistance levels here. And I understand that with quadruple witching things can get very crazy, but at least we need to go in with a plan to have an idea of levels that should come into play. But anything can happen, but this is how I'm heading in. So we have trendline resistance from the top here right at about 566. We also have the 786 retracement of the C wave decline right here at 566. So this is your first little bit of resistance, okay? Now, what's also interesting just above would be the distance that the B wave is equal to the D wave. That is at 570. The invalidation for this count is 572. So the takeaway here is we have two clusters of resistance, immediately overhead at about 567, then up to 572. If this plays out and we fail at either of these two resistance levels, I think Google could be headed lower back down to about 550. Okay, so there's plenty of scope here and plenty of range to trade these levels today, even on this 4-hour chart. And what's interesting about this is if you look at open interest right now on Google, the biggest open interest at 8,000 contracts is at the 550 strike, which is the downside target in the E wave of the triangle. So again, if we fail at either 568 or 572, be on the lookout. We could try to go down and test that 550 level. Be a lot of movement today, but anything can happen on options expiration, all right? Good luck, guys. Hope that helps, and we will talk to you soon.